Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class. Have you heard about Tenali Rama? Who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was the court poet in the court of King Krishnadevaraya, who was the ruler of the city Vijayanagara. Everyone liked Tenali Rama and always looked up to him to solve complicated matters because he could solve them quickly with his wit and wisdom. Today, let's learn the story of Tenali Rama about how he caught a gang of thieves and chased them away. All of you please take your English workbook and turn to page number 31. So let's read the story. A long time ago, there was a king named Krishnadevaraya who ruled over the city of Vijayanagara. A wise man named Tenali Rama was a member of his court. So once upon a time, there lived this king named Krishnadevaraya, who was the ruler of the city Vijayanagara, and there was this wise man named Tenali Rama who was his court poet. One day, the people of Vijayanagara came to the king's court to speak to him. They told him that they were troubled by the thefts that were taking place in the city. So one day, a few people came to the king and complained that there were a lot of theft, there were a lot of robbery that is taking place in their city. And the people were really troubled with the thieves. They had tried but were unable to catch the thieves who looted all the valuable items from their houses. They were having such a trouble with the thieves that these thieves looted all their valuable belongings, all that were saved by these poor people, and they were having such a trouble with them that they came to the king to complain. Tenali Rama, who was also present there, heard the people's complaints. He was worried about them and also wanted to teach the thieves a lesson. So Tenali was a kind man who really loved helping people. So when he heard that these people were in trouble, he wanted to help them. He felt bad for them and he badly wanted to help them. He was worried about them and he was thinking how he can catch these thieves and teach them a lesson. Soon, the opportunity that Tenali had been waiting for arrived. So, Tenali was waiting for the opportunity. He was waiting for the moment to catch these thieves and teach them a lesson. So, one night, before going to bed, Tenali walked around inside his house to check if all the doors had been locked properly. So, Tenali had this habit of going around his house to check if all the doors are locked properly. So he would do this every night before going to bed. So one day he was doing the same, and then suddenly through the window of the hall he noticed someone lurking near the rose bush in a corner of his garden. So when Tenali looked out through his window in the hall, he saw a few men suspiciously hiding and moving slowly in his garden. He immediately knew that it was the gang of thieves who had been troubling the people of the city and quickly came up with a plan to trick them. So he immediately recognized that these people who were hiding in his garden were the same thieves who were causing trouble to the people in the city. These were the thieves that the people were complaining about. So what did Tenali do? He quickly came up with a plan. Tenali called his wife to the hall's window and spoke in a voice loud enough for the thieves to hear him. Tenali, being so wise, he called his wife to the hall and he loudly told his wife in a voice loud enough so that the thieves would hear him. He loudly told his wife that, "Dear wife, since the thefts in the city have become so frequent, I have thought of a way by which we can keep our valuables safe. I have put all our jewels in this box. Please help me carry it to the well behind our house. We'll throw it into the well and the thieves will never be able to take it out." So what did Tenali tell his wife? So in a loud voice, loud enough for the thieves to hear, Tenali told his wife that he has found a way to keep the valuables safe from the thieves, and he said that he has packed all the valuables in the house, all the jewels in his house in a box, and he is planning to put that into the well so that the thieves won't take it away. and he asked his wife's help to carry this box to the well so that he can put it into the well. And then what happened? Let's see. After some time, Tenali and his wife stepped out of the house with a big wooden box. So there was this box which Tenali was telling his wife that he has packed all the jewels into it. So he carried this big wooden box with the help of his wife. They threw the box into the well. They carried this wooden box and threw it into the well. The thieves who had heard what Tenali had said watched them throw the box into the well. Tenali and his wife went back into the house and locked the door. So what did Tenali and his wife do? They carried this wooden box to the well and put this box into the well. And what did Tenali and his wife do next? They went back inside the house as if nothing had happened. Then let's see what happened next. The thieves were happy at this easy chance and started drawing water from the well to get to the box. So what happened? The thieves thought that Tenali and his wife had actually packed all their precious jewels in this box and put it in the well. But this was a brilliant plan that Tenali had made to catch these thieves. So these thieves were trying to get the jewels in the box, and this box was in the well. So the thieves thought they'll drain all the water from the well so that they can easily get hold of this box and they can take these jewels away. So what did they do? They started drawing water from the well and they kept doing it. And it was early morning before they knew about it. And early in the morning, Tenali quietly came to the well and saw the thieves at work. The thieves were still drawing water from the well in an attempt to empty the well. They were exhausted but were so busy drawing the water that they did not notice Tenali approach them. So out of their greed, they kept drawing water from the well. They were exhausted but they got so carried away with their greed and kept drawing water from the well. And they did not notice Tenali was approaching them. He addresses the thieves and said, "Thank you, friends, for watering my plants." The thieves got startled. They did not notice that Tenali was coming to them. And suddenly, Tenali addressed the thieves and said, "Thank you, friends, thank you for watering my plants. What must I pay you for your labor?" So he said, he is thankful that they watered all his plants because they have been drawing water from the well all night. And Tenali is asking them what should he pay for their effort. Hearing this, the thieves fell at Tenali Rama's feet for forgiveness. They knew he was a member of the king's court and were afraid of the severe punishment they would get. So they immediately recognized that it is Tenali Rama. They knew Tenali Rama was a member of the court of King Krishnadevaraya. So when they learned that they have been caught red-handed, they immediately fell at Tenali Rama's feet for forgiveness. They started apologizing to him. And they were so scared that they are going to get severe punishment from the king. But what did Tenali do? Tenali was a kind man. So he asked the thieves to promise him that they would never steal or rob anyone ever again and let them go. So Tenali, being a kind man, forgave them and made them promise something to him. He made them promise that they would never ever rob anyone or harm anyone ever again. And then Tenali let them go. So children, I hope you enjoyed this story. You can read a lot of Tenali Rama stories online. You can read more stories or you can even buy Tenali Rama story books. I suggest you get hold of one such book and read more stories about Tenali Rama. So that's all for today children. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.